I have created these beautiful looking repeat patterns in a matter of minutes using CF Spark patterns. As you can see the results and the look and feel of these patterns. This is the blue leopard pattern that is really popular on Amazon KDP. You can also see these different vegetables and fruit patterns, these black and white patterns. You can see these kawaii cat patterns. These are really popular on Amazon KDP. I am going to share with you a really quick hack to create these patterns really fast and create best-selling composition notebooks and potentially make income online. So you can see I went to Amazon.com and I searched for patterned composition notebooks. And then I noted the pattern here, what type of pattern these people are creating. Like you can see cute aquatic pattern, you can use this one. Cat composition notebook, this is acrobado pattern. Just copy this line and go to here, CF Spark pattern. By the way, you can access this tool here. If you have a Creative Fabrica subscription, you can come here and click on the create patterns button and it will take you to this page. If you have a Spark subscription, you can come here tools and click on the CF Spark and you will also be on this page. This is the CF Spark patterns. Here you can simply paste your prompt, this one, and paste here, remove the rest of one, click ignite. In a matter of minute it will create very beautiful looking pattern for you that you can use to create composition notebook covers. In this video I am going to show you how to quickly download these patterns and create composition notebook covers for your Amazon KDP. You can see it has created totally different patterns from previous ones. You can come here and click on the generate private download if you have CF Spark subscription. Otherwise you need to click on the publish and it will publish on Creative Fabrica platform, and there you can download as part of all access subscription or any other subscription you have at the moment. Wait a second and it will publish it on Creative Fabrica. In the meantime, I want to show you how to generate private download. Click here and click on generate private download here and these will be ready to download. You can see the little download button. I can click on this one, download it onto my hard drive. So you can see I have downloaded 4 patterns before. I am downloading this again. So if you don't have CF Spark subscription, you can publish and click on open and it will take you to the pattern page, or from there you can download if you have a Creative Fabrica subscription, that is normal subscription, all access or any other subscription. You can click on the download button here. These patterns come with any usage allowed. You can use it for personal use, for commercial, or you can give these patterns away for free. This is very beautiful looking pattern. You can download this and create covers for your KDP composition notebooks. It will take a while and download it to your hard drive. Pattern has been downloaded. Just open folder, extract here, and you can see the result here. The next step is you can go to canva.com and create a cover file for your composition notebook. I have already created this one. If you want to see the size, you can click on the resize and you can see this is 17.52 and 11.25 inches. You can create this one. Now you can quickly drag your pattern here and here you can quickly create this composition notebook cover. Once this is uploaded, now you can click the first page here, this one, and drag it here. Click the second one and drag it here. Before creating this one, just delete. If you haven't already done this, drag the pattern here like this one, resize it, send it back. Now just duplicate it, Ctrl+D, move it here, send it back. If you want to quickly change the cover, just click the first one, front cover, drag this one, back cover, drag this again. Now you have a totally different cover for your composition notebook. So in this way you can quickly create patterns for your composition notebooks for Amazon KDP and also create covers. Another thing you can do is you can generate prompts using ChatGPT. Like I have shared here, I have written create a prompt for creating space vehicle repeat pattern and it gave me a very long prompt that was beyond the limit of CF Spark patterns. So I write limit it to 300 characters and it gave me this one. I just copied and went back CF Spark patterns here. This is a little hack I was talking about. You can use ChatGPT to create unique prompts and create very unique patterns for your composition notebooks, and it has started generating patterns that would be very unique to you. You can see these patterns are totally different from the previous one. So you can go to ChatGPT and write prompt for creating sunflower pea pattern under 300 characters. This is very unique prompt for you. You can come back here and paste it here and click ignite. It says 300, remove the last ones. It has started creating patterns for you. You need to wait a bit. These patterns are ready for you. If you are not happy with these patterns, you can click again on ignite button and the pattern would be different from these one. This is good one, I think so. Go to generate private download, or you can also go to publish and download. These patterns are good one again. This is good one. This is okay. So in this way you can use CF Spark patterns. That is part of your all access subscription as well. Check out the link in the description below to this CF Spark patterns or other tools. I have also written a very detailed blog post about Creative Fabrica Spark. You can read it visiting this link. I will leave the link in the description below. That is all from me today. See you in the next video. That is very useful as well. Thanks for watching.